What's going on, guys? We're going to be checking out the 2007 Chevy Equinox. I do apologize if you hear a little music in the background. Our neighbors here are having a little get-together. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look all the way around the vehicle. It's got the rich purple color. In the rear, you got yourself your little lip on the back, plus your roof rack, and you got your rear wiper. Let's go ahead and hop inside. So it does have power windows, power locks, and the power mirrors as well. Your power locks are right on the doors. Your power mirrors are right here. And your windows are all right in the middle next to the shifter. On the steering wheel, you got yourself your cruise settings all there. Let's go ahead and turn on the vehicle. Oh, you also have the tan interior with the seats folded down in case you needed a little bit of extra room in the rear. So, greatest part about this specific Equinox is it's only got 87,000 miles. So this thing has a huge amount of life left over. You got the automatic transmission, traction control, your center console. If you needed to fold it up, you got even more room right there. You got one cup holder there and another two. Glove compartment, which gives you more than enough space. Got your speakers all around every single one of the doors, plus your tweeters along the side of the door as well. Your mirror, so you can make sure that, and visor, so you can make sure you look pretty. And you got your rear view mirror right there. So as you can see, you have more than enough room to be able to go around as a passenger. Both the drivers and passengers are extremely comfortable. I myself am 5'10", and as you can see, I'm nowhere even close to touching. Mike, go ahead and take a seat inside.
60-40.
60-40? Okay, yeah, that's what he's talking about. So it folds down 60-40, and if you needed even more room, it's got the plastic cover back right here so that you can actually fold that down and carry even longer things. So go ahead and take a seat. So Mai, as you all know, is about 6'10". He's a pretty massive guy, and look at all this room that he's got. So in the trunk, you have quite a bit of room to be able to carry anything that you want in here. But as I showed you earlier, you fold the seats down, and you can even fold the passenger seat down and get yourself even more room. Lifting this up, you got your spare right in there, and right here on the left, you got yourself your jack and your wrench. All right, under the hood, you got yourself the 3.4 liter V6. This is a very comfortable ride, and as far as gas mileage, you're looking about 19 city and 26 highway. So I mean, you're getting good amount of fuel economy while getting a comfortable ride with the 6-cylinder motor. This was the 2007 Chevy Equinox LS. Let us know if you have any questions about the vehicle, or if you'd like to set up a time so you can come out and take it out for a test drive. Our phone number here is 559-444-0123. As you know, Westland Auto Sales has all of your in-house needs. Whether it's good credit, bad credit, no credit, we can help you out. Let us know that you watched the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye!